Another way to locate an electrical box is to actually insert something into the box that has a point on it, so when the drywall is pushed into place, this will penetrate and show me the center of the electrical box. This is also quite unique. It's called a marking guard, because when it goes into that box, it actually protects the electrical wires as well. So that means I'm not going to cut them with the drywall cutting tool. Put pressure on the drywall, and the tip of the marking guard locates the center of the electrical box for me. Now that's my center marks, and I'm just going to take the router, find the edge, and go in a counterclockwise direction. So you can see how well it works, but also, in addition, how well it protects any electrical wires from possible damage from the router. All right, there you have it. Another perfectly cut electrical box. Like I said earlier, it's extremely important that they're cut out accurately, because I don't want to have to do a drywall repair. Let's say there's 200 electrical boxes in a house, which probably that's a low number. There are a lot more than that. And every time one is cut out wrong, it is a repair that can take me 10 minutes of accumulated time to complete that repair. So let's say I have 20 of them cut out wrong. That adds up to a lot of time. So accurate cutouts of electrical boxes is extremely important.